If you're looking to track affiliate payouts on PartnerStack, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to track your earnings and ensure you're getting paid properly for your affiliate work. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, PartnerStack makes it incredibly easy to keep track of your payouts. The first thing you want to do is log into your PartnerStack account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your earnings, ongoing campaigns, and recent activity. This is where you'll get all your tracking data, and it's laid out in a way that's easy to digest. To track your affiliate payouts, head over to the Payouts section. This is where you'll see a detailed breakdown of every payment that's been made to you, including the amount, the affiliate program it's associated with, and the date it was processed. You'll also see if any payouts are pending or scheduled for future payments. You can filter your payouts by program or date range, which makes it super simple to keep an eye on what's coming in from multiple affiliate programs at once. This is a crucial feature if you're managing more than one partnership because it gives you full transparency. If you want more granular details like specific transactions, just click into each payout. You'll be able to see exactly which actions, whether it's a sale, referral, or another action, earned you the payout. This is helpful to understand exactly which of your efforts are paying off and which might need a little more attention. PartnerStack also offers real-time notifications about your affiliate earnings. You can enable email or mobile alerts to stay on top of any new payouts or important updates. This is really helpful if you're managing several affiliate accounts and want to stay updated without having to constantly check manually. In addition, PartnerStack provides a detailed performance report where you can dive deeper into the metrics like conversion rates, clicks, and other key performance indicators. These insights allow you to optimize your marketing efforts and maximize your commissions. And here's a pro tip. If you're working with multiple affiliate programs, PartnerStack lets you track performance across all of them in one place. This gives you a 360-degree view of your affiliate marketing performance and helps you prioritize the programs that are delivering the most results. Now, here's the exciting part. You can access PartnerStack for free through the link in the description below, and when you sign up through our exclusive offer, you'll get some extra bonuses that can boost your affiliate marketing journey. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to track your affiliate payouts on PartnerStack, but also how to use the platform's full features to enhance your performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, PartnerStack offers a robust set of tools to ensure you stay on top of your affiliate game. Don't forget, if you sign up using our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so make sure you grab that before it expires. Happy tracking and good luck with your affiliate marketing.